Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about another technical analysis, which is double top. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel to get technical analysis video. First of all, what is a double top? A double top is an extremely bearish technical reversal pattern that forms after an asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between the two highs. It is confirmed once the asset's price falls below a support level equal to the low between the two prior highs. Key points. A double top is a bearish technical reversal pattern. It is not as easy to spot as one would think because there needs to be a confirmation with a break below support. You can see in this analysis how to identify a double top pattern on forex charts. 1. Identify the two distinct peaks of similar width and height. 2. Distance between peaks should not be too small, time frame dependent. 3. Confirm neckline/support price level.